Dear, are you watching? Dear God and Gods, Source, Energy, Universe, help me make a lovely video. Hey everyone, it's so funny because I just wanted to share today. By the way, happy November. My name is Owen Fox. I hope you're doing well today. It's I was just having a good laugh this morning, and I was just thinking how we're all like cleaners. Saw a post on Facebook, and I just had a really good laugh saying how we're basically all like cleaners. We're all like moppers. We're like scrubbers. Basically speaking, we're all like triggers of each other. So when it says like in a relationship, what we act to annoy each other and to annoy and upset each other. And basically, relationships are mopping up and cleaning up past sadness residue from our childhood. So that's what relationships are. They basically help us to bring forward and show everything. It's resumed. Yeah, so relationships are actually there for our benefit. So we upset and annoy and trigger each other because it's all about cleaning up and clearing up old childhood beliefs, programming, conditioning, and pain and hurt and sadness and annoyance. So it's okay, everybody. It's okay to think that like oh my God, I've made a terrible relationship being in a terrible mistake being in this relationship. I've done that. I've done that in my current relationship, and so has my partner. So if something's like purely abusive and toxic, that's different. But if it's just you're getting triggered a lot and oh my God, like this is as long as two people or even yourself are doing the work for conscious growth, self-investigation, and looking at yourself and studying and examining your own reactions, your emotional soarings, that's all your partner's helping you to clean yourself. So I highly recommend getting like stuff like Reiki or bioenergy healing or like spiritual healing or some form of like healing from a healer, you know, not just a counselor, no, not just a psychologist or anything like that. Like it depends if it's a spiritual, if it's a healer in terms of like they're energetically and heart attuned, to have a good heart chakra, and they've done an awful lot of like this work, and like I have for a long time, then I would recommend going to somebody like myself, or myself would recommend going to myself for sure. But do get other energy healings too. But one of the biggest things, probably the biggest thing you can do is actually just like look at yourself and stop blaming the other person for your emotions and your vibration. Like people are a little bit responsible for our emotions because they trigger us. They're responsible for triggering us. But we're responsible for deep down taking responsibility for our emotions and our vibration. So in the long run, we're all totally responsible for our vibration. But in the immediate second when we get triggered, when we're out of control, we're not able to be responsible. So we're vulnerable in that second and moment and minutes or longer possibly. So we do bear influence, and it's nice to have somebody who's not like triggering you too much. Yeah, but it's funny to think that we're all like cleaners and moppers of each other. So with that, we can honor and revere our journey in this relationship and our partner as a messenger to end the mess, a mess ender. And not to be too fretty or grumpy or down or heavy. We can honor the process of healing and self-investigation and cleaning and clearing, and they are our messenger, and that's okay. That's actually very good, because if you don't do, you'll always have the same emotions coming up, no matter who is your messenger or your relationship partner. Unless you do the cleaning and clearing now, no one else is going to clean it. So you have a dirty house or a dirty room or a dirty bicycle or dirty whatever, someone's not going to clean it for you. You have to clean it yourself. So obviously healers help in the process. They can clear and clean some, but the big part is all up to you. And that's the journey of life. That's the journey of awakening. And it's a really wonderful journey. It's a wonderful process. Like, it's just fantastic. It's really good news. So don't mind. Learn to be okay with not feeling okay. Learn to be okay with feeling upset or angry sometimes. And learn to be okay with switching from blaming another person all the time and being the victim, to learn to be okay to look at yourself and take responsibility and say, you know what, any strong emotion coming up within me is actually coming from me. People can't give me strong emotions really, ultimately. Even if we're empathic, yeah, that's a different story. We do feel strong emotions, but ultimately It's really all boils down to us. So this is great news. So thank you to my messengers, thank you to my partner right now, thank you to the people close to my life who trigger me the most, and I'm looking forward to continuing doing the work. I love the fact that no one else does the work for me, but I do the work for myself. And it's a lovely process of illumination and being happier in my life constantly, upper and up. And I love taking responsibility for my own vibration. When you take responsibility for your own vibration, your vibration is going to keep getting higher and better and upper, and it's the best thing ever, because you're just going to feel better in life and feel happier and better all the time, as much as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Peace, love and light to you and us all, and yeah, have a great day. And check out my description for like playlists, my free gifts and playlists to empower you, my website, any of my books. Please do like this video if you liked it. Consider giving it a share. Do subscribe. And yeah, all of that stuff. So lovely to connect with you and have a nice day. Happy November.